Hi, Emma. This is our son's funeral. He's in here.
And there's too many roots.
Whoa, these leaves look really green in this camera.
You are a green person.
Emma, can I get behind you?
Don't talk about anything ever again.
Emma, please.
No.
I'm desperate.
Stop talking. Okay, is it gonna fit in there? Stop! Don't laugh at me ever in your life.
Is it gonna fit there?
Stop.
That's great, Emma. I don't know. Let me see. No, bigger.
Dang it.
You need to dig it bigger. Make it bigger, Emma.
Yeah, I do.
Make it bigger.
Gotta stretch it out.
Emma,
What?
you told me not to do this, but here you are doing it.
Shh. Don't. Hi. Oh, don't be scared.
Don't be scared. I only have big hands.
No. Oh, I'm sorry. I just crushed your head.
Don't be scared. I only crushed your head.
Where did you go? Come here. I love you. Hi. What was that?
Continue digging, my friend. My friend.
Luis Garcia.
It's actually garlic syrup.
I don't know.
Huh?
I'm not. There's an ant in your leg. I'm not calling you that.
Garlic syrup?
No.
Why?
Because it makes me think about.
Garlic syrup?
No, it makes me think about garlic balls, which is something that my brother called somebody one time.
There's a mosquito on my hand about to bite me.
You should not let it bite you.
I didn't.
Okay, good. Okay, oh, dang it.
Ooh.
Okay, is that good?
Is it big enough?
I don't know.
How do we want?
That's
That
good.
looks big enough. Hold it down as we put it in.
That's how I like it. Well, it's not all the way done, but you know, it's good enough.
Typically, they're buried 6 feet.
This is
Deep.
6 feet for him. My boobs are hanging out.
That's all right. My channel's not PG.
Okay.
It's like,
I'm not gonna start flashing my bra. Don't worry. Even though it's cute, but I'm not gonna.
Is it?
It is very cute. See. Like,
ah,
it's
lovely.
cute. I like it. My hands are dirty now.
I wonder why.
To make sure nobody was looking. My leg is looking.
Wow. So you and I, we go out back here. We hear a slapping noise. We had made comments, and you flashed your bra all in one video.
Yep.
This video is gonna get flagged.
I know.
And you're dancing on our son's
I'm
face.
not dancing on it. I'm pressing the dirt down. You dinkus.
We'll miss you, Frankfurt.
I won't. Just kidding.
Emma. He was from 8th grade. Our child in 8th grade.
Stop itching. Oh, gosh. Dang it.
Oh, you poor baby.
I know.
Your skin is glowing.
Maybe I'm pregnant.
Well, I mean, we are gonna
Shut up.
draw another child.
Stop talking. Oliver.
Hi. How are you doing, Oliver? You look happy. Oh, no, never mind. The depression settled in. Oh boy. I'm sorry, Oliver.
When your bout of mania finally ends and the depression kicks in. Oliver. I am mad about my leg now.
That's right. You caress your leg.
Don't ever talk ever again. Just close your mouth permanently.
I love you, Emma.
You're a jerk face. Don't talk.
Why am I a jerk face?
Don't tell me to caress my leg or anything.
Blink.
No.
Blink. Blink.
Stop.
You blinked.
Mean. There's a mosquito on my eyebrow. Y'all better not be eating my eyebrows. That's nasty.
There was a mosquito on my... I wasn't blowing you, I was blowing myself.
But
There's a
I don't know
mosquito.
how you must be really flexible.
I'm the king of flexibility.
Stop! Someone looked at my butt. Oh. Okay. Well, that is firmly packed. Firmly grasp it.
We need a paper and a pen or a pencil.
Oh, it's Mom.
Hi,
It is
Malls.
hanging out. Hello.
Not the only thing hanging out.
Okay. Y'all.
Paper and pen. That's
Why?
our next. We gotta draw the next child.
Oh. Okay. That's chill. There's a baseball here. Oh, it's already popping up. Get it, Molly. Molly, play fetch. Molly, get it. There's a ball. Molly, there's a squirrel. Molly.
That's the face of depression.
Oh, there we go. Molly. Molly. We wish you were dead. Molly. I'm just kidding. We like you, kind of. Molly, you're a big dumb idiot dog. Oh.
Ah, I don't think she wants me to take video of her crapping. I gotta make sure I don't step in dog poop.
Yeah, it's mostly over here. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands.
You do that.
I need to get that spoon.
You also do that. Let's lock her out of her own house. I locked her out.
Molly or Emma?
Emma.
Or both?
Well, both.
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture of me.
No, I'm recording.
Oh. Your camera's a lot better than Emma's.
Did you hear that? You can hear us? What? That's weird.
Oliver's got to poop really bad.
Dab. 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 Dab.
Dab with your feet.
Dab,
Bring
Emma.
in.
Emma, dab. Please. Please dab. Please dab. Thank you. Paper and pen. After you wash your hand. I'm sorry, Emma.
Wait, what, you guys buried that Ultimate box?
Yep.
Yep.
Why?
It
Because
contains.
Louise destroyed a drawing from 8th grade. It was its funeral.
Are you camera shy, Micah?
Oh my god.
Are you camera
He
shy?
is camera shy. He's very camera shy.
No.
But my neck hurts real bad.
Bad. Well, I did.
But my lips hurt real bad. No, Oliver.
Oh, that was me. He got rid of poop.
Aw, poor Emma.
Molly.
She doesn't know, but it's being recorded.
In the shadows.
Oh, we gotta hurry this up. My battery's gonna die.
No. Where is a piece of paper?
We found your camera. I hid it.
I saw.
Get roasted, Mom.
The sun glare is horrible, even though there's no sun. That was a bug in my shirt.
It was trying to get to the booty.
It was.
Okay,
The heck is that?
It's a heck.
Oh, it's a spooter.
Oh, that's a shame.
If I would have known it was a spider, I wouldn't have killed it.
Well, I'm glad you didn't.
What are we doing?
You're not doing anything.
There was a bug crawling inside my shirt, and it was a spider.
What'd you do about it?
I accidentally killed it.
Accidentally.
I didn't
Okay.
mean to kill it. I meant to
Sure,
kill the
Louise.
bug.
Sure thing.
Spiders are friends, not food.
I hate spiders, so I would neither befriend them nor eat them.
I would hope you wouldn't eat them.
Yeah, well, you said
I
not
wouldn't be
friends.
able to be your friend.
You said they're friends, not food, so that's implying someone would eat them.
I don't eat them.
Are you sure?
Are you gonna do this to me now?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Stop.
Okay.
Okay, got a pen.
I don't know why child's going to open. You had the whole assorted fruits thing.
The whole
Assorted.
fruits.
Remember
What
in 8th
fruit?
grade?
I don't remember in 8th grade. What are you talking about?
In 8th grade, you would draw fruit on every single one of my papers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was fun. Okay, let's make it a strawberry.
Okay. A strawberry named Cherry.
I don't really know how to draw a strawberry. This is gonna be a big.
Illuminati confirmed.
Yep. With one eyeball.
So a side cross.
Side.
Why aren't you sitting down?
Because it's fun to sit like this, and my mom doesn't let me.
I'm your mom now, and
You're not my mom.
I am your mom.
I apologize for the really bad state of the strawberry leaves.
All
But
right.
I can't really draw. So.
Look at that skill. The precision.
Wow. Precision is a word that Louise knows. Would you like to define that for us, Louise? I mean, that's not so.
It's me.
You are
It
precision.
definitely, yeah.
Don't film.
What?
Don't film my arm.
Feel or film?
Film.
Why?
Because it's weird.
I'll film
I'll
your
draw
leg
this with my
then.
left hand if I
I'll
have to.
film your leg then.
Don't film my leg. It's so weird.
My phone vibrated.
Yeah, it
Okay.
did. Okay, Louise, you get to do the next part. There you go.
I get to choose the eyes.
Yep.
This is too much responsibility.
Too bad.
I'm feeling square eyes.
How many eyes?
You know, 4. 4 is a good number.
Okay.
No, because then people will make fun of them, saying 4 eyes.
Yeah, it'll be 4. Make it 5.
I'll do 4.5.
4.5. Okay.
It's gonna be a diagonal half though, rather than a vertical.
Gotcha.
And then
She forgot one of the pupils. Just the one eye is blind.
And then it's gonna have that weird 3 nose. That's a 3.
Okay. That looks like, if you put it this way, it looks a little bit more than a 3. Not gonna lie.
I know,
But-
but it's the 3 nose because those are the 2 nose holes. And then this is the center.
I thought this was a nose hole, this was a nose hole, and that was a nose hole.
See there, look at the
The definition.
Yeah. And then okay. And then you know you gotta have that smirk. You gotta have that smirk.
Is that supposed to be like strawberry?
No.
You can draw the teeth.
What is that supposed to be?
A strawberry.
Told you, Emma. Your mom texted you.
I know.
There you go.
Oliver, go on.
You should give it a goatee. Like right on the very end there, draw.
I gotta draw the
lines.
eyebrows though. And I gotta sneeze all of a sudden.
Bless you.
But I'm not going to sneeze.
Bless you.
Maybe I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you.
I might sneeze.
Bless you.
That one's wavy because it's in the middle.
Oh dang.
And then goatee, you said?
No, right on the very tip here.
Well, it's
Oh,
too
I'm
late
sure.
now.
That's a scar. We've got stitches. It's got my little baby goatee.
I love it. Okay. That's great.
Now it needs a mustache.
No, Micah, don't touch it. These are the strawberry seeds, just so you know. Or it could be acne. Nobody knows.
Bull. That's what strawberry seeds really are. It's strawberries. It's
Emma, what's your address again?
8863 Staples Street.
Okay.
right down
8863.
420.
But if you're looking it up on Google
420
Maps,
Main
it's Staples
Street.
Avenue.
Okay. I'll put /Avenue.
She's gonna be like, what?
No, she'll understand.
Ah,
I hope.
Yeah, will she actually though?
yay.
It only has half of its face covered. It's the Phantom of the Opera with its zip.
Dun, 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 dun.
Remember that one tiny band that tried to play it? I was like, honey, no.
Oh yeah,
I was like, why?
that was such a tiny
There
band.
were like 6 people.
But I'm glad that they wanted to do it despite their size.
And their musical inability
Ability.
to play Phantom of the
I
Opera.
said ability, you said inability.
Because nobody can play Phantom of the Opera with 6 people and make it sound good. Unless you're like professional.
I can.
I bet
Shut up,
I
Emma.
could.
Shut up,
I bet
Louise.
I could.
I bet I could,
Shut
Emma. I
up.
play
Shut up.
pretty good.
Shut up, Louise.
I play pretty good.
But for marching band, could you?
Probably.
Probably not. That's what you meant to say.
I probably could. You could join me. we could just be the 6. We'll have one person from each section.
Okay.
So what is that? Flutes, clarinets, sax,
Percussion.
alto sax, percussion, trombone, trumpet,
Baritone.
baritone,
Mellophone.
mellophone, French horn.
There's the same thing.
Nope.
Mellophone is a marching French horn.
I know, but
Okay.
no, they're not the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about clarinets, Louise?
I did say
You
clarinet.
said clarinets? Okay.
I said flutes, clarinet.
Oh, okay.
Gosh.
Did you keep the
I
drawing?
apologize.
Huh?
The weed drawing? Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Is it still
Oh, you're
recording?
recording this?
Yeah. This will probably be uploaded in like 3 months from now.
3 months.
You see, the thing is I don't edit them, but I still forget to upload them.
Well,
We're gonna have to explain to him how his brother died.
okay.
He's probably gonna leave me at that point.
Yep.
He'll probably,
Hate you.
yep,
It's okay. I don't care.
You missed a spot.
Shut up, Megan.
right there. There we go.
I was talking about right there.
You're sunburnt.
No, I'm not. Prove it.
Your arm is the same color as your shirt. Relatively.
Balance.
Prove it.
Okay.
There you go. He has 2 little stubby arms,
Little tiny arms.
and
Oh my god.
but this one he has a peg leg.
Those are his legs. What is that?
That's his goatee.
Micah thinks it's pubes.
No, it's his goatee. The legs are actually behind the rest
Yeah,
of him.
Duh.
So See, you're sitting kind of normally now.
Not anymore.
It'll be normal if I do it. Yay.
That was for you.
Weed.
They can't see it.
Weed.
They can't see the drawing or anything.
Yeah, it's alright. They just need to see
Weed.
the hands.
Should I tilt it up a little bit so they can see
No.
the drawing?
No. No. Okay. I think that's it. What's the name?
Where's its sideburns?
Okay.
It doesn't need sideburns.
Yeah,
That's how
Micah,
cool it
jeez.
is.
I
Where's
think
its
it needs a top hat,
mustache?
though. Right here, like the other one.
Yeah, Frankfurt had a top hat. It was on the left, right?
Well,
I mean,
this
this
guy
one's
is different.
Yeah.
That's way too small.
It's tiny, Micah.
Like,
Size
even for a
doesn't
strawberry, that's like a really small top hat. It
You
needs
know
to be a
what,
little
Micah?
bigger.
You know what,
You know
Micah?
what, Micah?
Dad, you like
You
the
can
drawing?
just leave.
Come here.
Do you like the drawing?
They gave the strawberry pubes.
No, it's not.
It's
It's
a
a
goatee.
goatee. Here you go.
What's the name?
Hubert.
P.
Micah's like, how do you spell it? Harold.
Harold.
You spell Harold wrong.
Shut up, Micah.
Nope. It's this way. Harold what? The last one had fancy fish.
Harold Harry Berry.
Berries.
Wait, what? Berry.
Oh, dang.
Sex.
You forgot the
Yes.
last name, you dingus.
That was the last name.
Frankfurt had a middle name and a last name. Forgot the
Yeah,
last
his
name.
last name was Fancy Fish.
No, it was Garcia.
Was he Garcia?
I read the back of it like
Oh.
3 times during class.
Okay.
No, it's Harold, and his middle name is Harry.
Okay, there. Harold, Harry, Barry, Garcia. Male.
Yep.
Race. Mutated strawberry.
Okay, I like it.
Actually, blueberry. This is a blueberry
Okay.
that was mutated to replace strawberries. Date of birth. It's
The 13th? Yep.
It's the
Tuesday the
13th.
13th. June
Uh,
15th, 6,
6, yeah. 13,
17.
17. I know, Emma.
Okay.
The time. Minus 2 minutes.
8 o'clock.
Okay, so 7:58.
It's AM, Elise, you idiot. Jeez. I can't believe you just screwed that up. It's
What?
AM. It's FM.
Was that
Duh.
it? Was that all?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Done. Boom. What?
Our
Now.
child. Is my hand bigger than yours? I think it is.
Yeah, I have baby hands.
She's lying.
Shut up, Micah. Micah's like, this is how big my
Okay.
hands are.
This is the end of the video. Bye.
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 Okay.
You say bye.
You said chocolates.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
For you.